Hey everybody, welcome. So today we're making chuối chiên, which literally translates to chuối fried and chiên. So today we're making chuối chiên, which literally translates to chuối banana and chien fried bananas, which is a popular Vietnamese street food that you can find anywhere in Vietnam. Can't go wrong with fried things, unless you hate bananas. I'm sorry. All right, let's get started. First, you want to get all your ingredients together. I'll leave all the information below, don't worry. We have our rice flour, all-purpose flour, sugar. Mix it together. Then you want to add your water and coconut cream. It's pretty simple. After you mix it well just like that, you want to leave your batter off to the side for about 15 minutes to rest. You would typically use the small baby bananas in this recipe, but I only have the large ones here and they work perfectly fine as well, so don't worry. A lot of recipes also call for you to smash them after you cut them in half, but I decided to just cut it into quarters and that works for me. And once you have carefully cut your bananas, you want to make sure that your pan of hot oil is ready. I like to stick a pair of chopsticks in there until it's bubbling just like that. Grab your slices of bananas and put it into the batter. After you've covered it well in the batter, carefully lift it into the pan of oil. As you can see here, my bananas were a little bit too ripe, so they broke up into pieces, but that's fine. So once you've browned them nicely, I dip into the batter again and double fry it so it's extra crispy. Also, I think after years of cooking, I no longer have fillings in my fingers. My fingers do not have fillings, so be careful if you do this. Alright, after you've fried all your pieces of bananas until they're golden brown, you want to leave it off to the side so it drains off some of the oil. Now you have a few options. You can either serve with coconut sauce, or how I like to serve it, with some scoops of your favorite ice cream. I had ube and vanilla here. Drizzle on some of that nice sweet coconut sauce. It's just coconut cream and sugar. Yum! Okay, I also had sesame seeds that would go perfectly on top, but I forgot it right here. So just go ahead and add that if you have it. Let's enjoy this bite right here. Yes, yes. Ooh, let's take another one. That was so good. Wow. Wow. Let's focus. Oh yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.